Hey guys, Miles Steegers coming at you all the way from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Hey, I wanted to take a minute. Listen, I'm on my way to the gym, so I got to make this quick. I wanted to take a minute and give a shout out to my brother, the genius, Mr. David Eagle. David, I want to say thank you so much for creating your amazing automated marketing system that has allowed me to generate over $44,000 in the last 3.5 weeks. 3.5 weeks. Check this out, folks. Actually, now that I think about it, it really wasn't 3.5 weeks. It's about 2.5 weeks, because last week, guys, check this out. Last week, guys, I was in Dubai. You see, I have another business that I run, another online business, and I'm only doing this part-time. And that's why it's so exciting, because people that are brand new, have never made money online before, maybe you, brand new to the internet, they're looking for something part-time, they're looking for something full-time. We have it here, guys, because we have a marketing system that all you need to do is plug into. David does all the heavy lifting. Speaking of lifting, David, I'm on my way to the gym. You want to lift the weights for me at the gym while I can just sit home and watch Netflix? I'm just kidding. But folks, I'm really, really excited because I see so many people making money with David's system. It's incredible. I call it a marketing machine. And anybody can plug into it, guys. So listen, if you want to get started earning $2,000 commissions over and over and over again while David does the heavy lifting, all you need to do is plug in, folks. Plug into the system, drive traffic, and let David do all the heavy lifting. So again, I wanted to give a shout out, say thank you, David. Your system is amazing. As I stand here and talk to you, it still blows my mind. Blows my mind. Over $44,000 in the last 2.5 weeks. I'm excited. All right, guys, so if you haven't done it already, make sure you check out David's system. Stay blessed, and I'll see all of you at the top.